If you don't yet have access to the Sora 2, in today's video I'm going to show you a free alternative website for you to access Sora 2 completely for free without an invite code, and I'm also going to be showing you how to get rid of the watermark later in this video. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, welcome back to today's video. So a lot of people don't still have access to the Sora 2, and a lot of people get fake codes and expired codes. So I'm going to show you how to use Sora 2 for free without an invite code. So first of all, you come over to your Chrome browser or any browser you make use of, and you're going to type in on your search bar mindvideo.ai. so you're going to click on it. So this is how the website looks like. So you can see over here Sora 2 for free. So I'm going to show you how to use it on this website, and this website doesn't require a VPN for you to access it. You can access it anywhere in the world. So you can see they have a lot of amazing models. They have the Gemini, DO3, Runway, and so on. So we're going to be making use of the Sora 2 for free. So you're going to click on login or sign up. So for you to use this website, you have to create an account with them. So I'm going to click on login for free. So you can see I'm going to click on continue with Google. I'm going to sign up my Google account. So you can see I'm already signed into the website. So you can see Sora 2 is live, free for all users. So you can click on try it now, and you can come over to this side that says check in and claim 2 credits. So you can check in every day and claim 2 credits every day. So you can see the one. I'm going to click on check in. So alright, I've already gotten 2 credits already. So let's use the Sora 2. Let me show you how to use the Sora 2. Yes, so this place that says Sora 2 is live and free for everyone. I'm going to click on get it now. So you can see Sora 2 free beta. So you can see other models they have. So you require a token or a credit for you to use other models, but Sora 2 free beta is free and you require 0 credits for you to use it. So paste my prompt. So when you use this site, you actually stay on a queue for your video to generate. So I advise you wait in the night to use the site in the night because of less traffic. So you can see my prompt here: a woman on the TV reported loudly, and so on. So I'm going to click on here, create. So I can select my aspect ratio, whether 16:9 or 9:6. So I'm going to click on create. So you can see here generating. So I also created a video here. You can see the video here on how to get rid of the Sora 2 watermark from your video. Although this platform doesn't have a static watermark, it just have a watermark that's placed on a particular aspect of the video, so which makes it quite easy for you to remove. So you can check out the video I did on how to get rid of the Sora 2 watermark. It works the same way as this, and you can remove the watermark of this one. So you can see yes, 47%, 75 seconds. So it takes like 2 minutes or 3 minutes to generate. So that's why I said it's best to use this site late in the night for less traffic. Normally it takes around 5 to 8 minutes, which is very slow. So when you make use of this site at night, it reduces the traffic and generates your video faster. So you can see here it has generated, and it is similar with the same video from Sora 2 is the same. So I'm going to click on download. So you can see here download without watermark. You need a premium account. So I'm going to download it with a watermark. You can check out my video I did on how to get rid of the Sora 2 watermark. So this watermark is more easier for you to get rid of. It is not a static watermark. It is placed on a particular aspect of the video, and it is more easier and simple for you to get rid of. So you can check out my video on how to get rid of the watermark, and also pin the video in the comment section for you to check it out. So you can see the video here. So you can see it is even 15 seconds, not like the main Sora 2 where you will get 10 seconds or 9 seconds. So this is 15 seconds, and you can see the watermark here. So you can check out my video ID on how to get rid of the Sora 2 watermark and get rid of this watermark, which is more easier for you to get rid of. And you can see this video I also generated here for free. So that is it for this video. So let me know in the comment section if it actually worked for you, and let me know your thoughts. about this in the comment section. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing videos like this. And do well to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. I'm Joseph from Joseph Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.